Honda Rebel 500 Best Cruiser Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling beckons with its promise of adventure, freedom, and a unique sense of empowerment. For beginners entering this exhilarating realm, choosing the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision that shapes their journey. The Honda Rebel 500 stands out as an exceptional choice, blending style, approachability, and cruiser comfort. With its versatile performance, iconic design, and user-friendly features, the Rebel 500 is a perfect companion for novices seeking to embrace the cruiser lifestyle. Balanced performance and accessible power. The Honda Rebel 500 is powered by a 471cc parallel twin engine that strikes a harmonious balance between power and approachability. This engine delivers a satisfying level of torque and acceleration that allows beginners to experience the joy of cruising without feeling overwhelmed. Relaxed riding ergonomics. A defining feature of the Rebel 500 is its comfortable riding position, designed to provide a relaxed and upright stance. The low seat height, mid-mounted foot pegs, and wide handlebars create an ergonomic configuration that minimizes strain on the rider's body, making it an ideal choice for extended rides. Iconic cruiser design and aesthetics. The Rebel 500 embodies the classic cruiser design language with a modern twist. Its minimalist and stripped-down appearance is characterized by clean lines, a single round headlamp, and a low-slung silhouette. Novice riders not only experience the pleasure of cruising but also embrace the timeless aesthetics that define cruiser motorcycles. Effortless handling and stability. The Rebel 500 offers nimble handling and stable performance, providing beginners with a confidence-inspiring riding experience. Its lightweight chassis and balanced proportions make it easy to maneuver, even for those new to motorcycling. Comprehensive safety features. Safety remains a top priority, especially for beginners. Many Rebel 500 models come equipped with optional ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. This feature offers novices an extra layer of assurance as they navigate different road conditions. Versatility for urban and leisure riding. The Rebel 500's adaptable performance makes it suitable for both urban commuting and leisurely cruising. Novice riders can transition seamlessly from city streets to open roads, all while enjoying the comfort and style that the cruiser offers. Community and rider camaraderie. Enthusiasts of the Rebel 500 form a close-knit community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community provides novices with access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the Rebel's cruiser lifestyle. Room for skill progression. The Rebel 500 encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can gradually explore the bike's capabilities, fine-tuning their riding techniques and embracing the cruiser riding experience to its fullest. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Rebel 500 isn't just an entry-level choice, it's a companion for the cruiser journey ahead. Its comfort, performance, and brand reputation ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Rebel 500 as they evolve from novices to experienced cruiser enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Honda Rebel 500 serves as a gateway to the world of cruiser motorcycles, offering style, comfort, and user-friendly features to beginners. With its balanced performance, iconic design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Rebel 500 provides an immersive introduction to the cruiser lifestyle. By choosing the Rebel 500, novices embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a cruiser community that shares their passion for relaxed rides and the exploration of the open road.